Nestled in the alleys of Old Lahore is the Mughal-era Shahi Mohalla, or the Royal Neighborhood. In its heart lies Hira Mandi, the historic red light district of Pakistan's eastern metropolis. It's in the spotlight these days, thanks to the Netflix series Hira Mandi, The Diamond Bazaar.
Sir, these tawaiffs are very powerful.
The 8-part fictional drama by acclaimed Indian filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali focuses on the role of courtesans in India's independence movement. A month since its May 1st release, Hira Mandi remains in the top 10 most viewed non-English series on the streaming platform.
Camera crews are coming every day to film the streets, but these streets are nothing like what the series shows.
The streets where sunset long ago ushered the sound of women singing and dancing to entertain men now reverberate with the noise of motorbikes and rickshaws. Balconies where performers once waited for clients show glimpses of lost grandeur. Artisans at the few remaining music stores are barely getting by.
Business has reduced a lot. There are few singers and musicians. A lot of people are coming these days, but we don't talk to them. It's a waste of time.
A push to dismantle the red light district where performing arts and prostitution thrived in the shadow of a centuries-old Mughal-era mosque and fort came in the 1980s during the rule of conservative military dictator Zia-ul Haq. But Shagufta Begum chose to stay. She was only 12 when she started singing for crowds.
We used to practice in the morning. At night, the bazaar would be set up, and we would go there to perform. In the era of Zia, it all shut down. He said, "This is not acceptable. Shut it down."
Arts died in the area decades ago, and sex work diminished as well. But the rich culinary culture of Old Lahore helped revive a lane as a food street. Shagufta Begum's son Abrar Hussain runs a popular restaurant on the roof of their home. He's working on a video series to preserve the area's history.
When this area was booming, people would hesitate to come here. It would hurt their dignity. But thanks to Sanjay Leela Bhansali, people are thinking about this area. TikTokers are coming to make videos. No one used to come before.
But Hussein's wife Misbah is not happy with the attention.
Our house is being highlighted. TikTokers are making videos. TV channels are asking strange, prying questions. I really don't like this.
Hira Mandi was hardly as opulent as the neighborhood in the Netflix series. But many famous Pakistani actresses and singers once called it home. Shagufta Begum misses those times.
It should come back, but it won't. The religious lobby won't let it.
As night falls, customers come to enjoy the restaurants. As for those expecting to see a red light district as depicted on screen, Hira Mandi only has stories to offer. Sara Zaman, VOA News, Lahore, Pakistan.